Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting Greenbot into your server and confirming permissions. Do that now. Once invited, make sure the bot's role is above any roles it must manage and enable send messages, manage roles, embed links, view channels. Then create a dedicated moderation or bot testing channel so logs don't clutter general chat. Finally, run a simple command like help or /help to confirm responsiveness. If it answers, you're ready to configure its features and settings. Now you configure the core modules: moderation, AutoMod, and XP. Log into the Greenbot dashboard or use /commands. Set a prefix you want and choose moderation thresholds for warns, mute, and auto-ban. Assign mute and ban durations in minutes or days, and link role rewards to XP milestones. Once configured, test using a second account or test users to simulate spam, profanity, or leveling to ensure punishments and rewards trigger as expected, so you don't break real member experience. Finish by locking channel permissions and confirming the bot's role sits above managed roles. Save every change in the dashboard so settings persist. Export or note your configuration so you can restore it quickly if needed. If Greenbot becomes unresponsive, check 3 things: the bot's role position in server settings, the channel-specific permissions overriding send messages or view channels, and the invite scope for manage roles or manage messages. If those look fine, restart the bot via the dashboard and rerun a simple command to verify recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.